Good morning, people, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 18. I can't believe how close we are getting to Christmas. I am so excited because, as you can see, this tree is packed full of presents. And I love presents because who doesn't? Am I right? Anyway, I really shouldn't say good morning because it is 1:30. I've just spent the morning laying around with the boys. We've just been hanging out with the boys. Hey, we have. You can have some lunch now. Do you want some lunch? Ugh. There you go. So yeah, we're going to give him some lunch. Barney, you can have a little treat. Yeah, you can. And I'm gonna make myself some lunch. Get it? Good boy. Can you do your treat, please? Oh, what a clever boy. Here's one. Oh, good boy, Bonnie. Good boy. Thank you. Alright, now I'm going to make myself some lunch. I have not eaten anything all day, and I'm starving.
Please don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh honey, so our friendship ceases from now on. Please don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh honey, so our friendship ceases from now on.
Lunch is made, and Vampire Diaries is on. We've made friends with her. Adopted. Ooh, okay. Alright. Jeez. You're hungry. And its mum, it fell out of a nest, and one of our neighbours has been looking after it. But he's gone away on holiday, so we've been feeding it while he's gone. I'll get you some more, just give me a second. Give me a second. It's a carolong, that's what it's called. I've just remembered. And it likes to eat mango. Give me a second, I'll get you some. I gotta break it up. Here's some. You want some more? Ow, ow. Thank you. Oh, shit. It really likes mango. This is homegrown by one of our family friends. And he really likes it. So they're a native Australian bird species. And they're really good at keeping crows away. So that's why we actually are really happy to be feeding him. Because hopefully he'll stick around when he grows up and keep away all the pesky crows. And he's good, like Cadbury's sitting right there. And he doesn't even care. Oh, all done. Okay. You want a little bit more? Or you're all done? A little bit more? Oh, no? Okay. See you later. You got it. Woohoo! So yeah, he's our little adopted family member for the moment. Just been feeding him and just hanging out. He's really cute. I don't really like birds because they're a bit, you know, shifty, but he's a baby and he's hungry. And yeah, so anyway. Hi, how you doing? Cadbury's very sleepy. Are you sleepy? Oh, poor baby. Hi, Barney. How you doing? Anyway, so we're gonna start watching Vampire Diaries and hanging out. Oh, whoa, don't knock the glass over with your crazy tail. No, with the crazy tail. Leave him. Leave him alone. Cadbury's just obsessed with Barney. Just wants to be everywhere that Barney is. It's quite funny. Right, so it is nearly 5:15. I'm so tired, but 4 things I need to do. Take the washing off the line, take the dogs for a WALK, can't say it because they'll get excited, go for a run and make dinner. And I'm tired. Bunny, you can't spell WALK, can you? You can't. You don't know what I'm saying. No. Anyway. So first things first, let's get this washed off the line.
If you want some melody, just let me know.
Dinner is served. Alright people, dinner was delicious. Loved it, but I am exhausted and extremely full. So I'm going to have a shower, and go to bed. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe and I will see you tomorrow. Good night.